The U.S. Senate wants to pass President Donald Trump's big, beautiful bill by July 4th.
The bill proposes work requirements for some Medicaid recipients. This is a story we've been covering for weeks now, visiting families in Johnson County who are leading the fight against any cuts.
If not me, who? If not now, when?
You know, I think about the families that come after me, and, you know, if they didn't have the support that I had, their outcomes could be really different.
Well, tonight, one group is hosting an event to educate people on Medicaid as a whole. KSHB 41 reporter Elise Schoenig reports on health care costs.
She joins us live right now from that event. And Elise, what's the crowd like there?
Well, doors had just opened here not too long ago. I can still see some people, trickling in as we've even just been setting up here, and there are some tables set up outside to welcome some of those folks in. I actually had the chance to speak to the organizers, little lobbyists, before this event. Now, that's a group that we actually learned about in one of our listening sessions in Shawnee, and what the organizers tell me is that they want people to realize, as they take away from tonight, that a reliance on Medicaid could be anybody's reality at any time.
So the water bottle's in first.
With every box packed.
And so that's what we're trying to do, is show our families are just like your families.
Ryan Jolly hopes people can see their family in hers.
Anybody is one hard hit on the football field away from needing these services. You or I, as adults, are one tragic car accident away from needing the kind of care that only Medicaid provides.
Ryan and other families with the advocacy group Little Lobbyists are getting ready for a town hall on Medicaid.
This is Ryan with Little Lobbyists, just calling to remind you about the town hall event that we have this evening. In a time of high partisan politics where everybody's got a side to choose, this is truly a nonpartisan event.
The Congressional Budget Office estimates a nearly $800 billion reduction in federal Medicaid spending over the next 10 years. That's if the Senate passes President Trump's big, beautiful bill. Most Republicans support the bill, saying they want it to cut down on fraud, waste, and abuse within Medicaid.
The idea that there are going to be no cuts to Medicaid, I think, is a pie-in-the-sky wish and dream. But we're hoping for something between really bad and catastrophic.
According to the healthcare nonprofit, the Kaiser Family Foundation, that means 157,000 Missourians and 30,000 Kansans would no longer be enrolled in Medicaid by 2034.
Medicaid, at least in our family, plays a big role. Most of the things that we have access to is because of Medicaid.
Diana is one of Ryan's 4 children with a brain injury. She says they can't access or afford the care they need without Medicaid.
I'd be heartbroken if something had happened to them, if Medicaid was cut and something happened to my little siblings.
She wants people to see what her mom, Ryan, is fighting for.
Medicaid affects every aspect of my life.
With every box packed.
Okay.
Hearing some applause in and out here, which I think signals that this event is starting to officially kick off. And Diana, who you just heard from there, she will be one of the many people giving a speech tonight at this event, and something the organizers also want to emphasize, as you heard there again in the story, is that partisanship does not have a role here. This is something they want everybody to come together, think about, talk about, and really listen to. Reporting live in Johnson County, Elise Schoenig, KSHB 41 News.